The greatest achievement of the BMW X5 Protection VR6 isn't that it can resist bullets, it's that for most of its life, it never has to. The people who choose this SUV understand a simple principle. The best security is the attack that never happens. That's why you'll rarely see one surrounded by flashing lights or escorted by dramatic convoys. Instead, it quietly leaves airports carrying Fortune 500 CEOs after billion-dollar negotiations. It waits outside embassies while diplomats shape international agreements. It slips through financial districts, transporting executives whose decisions influence global markets. It carries public figures, royal family members, and individuals whose greatest responsibility is making sure they return home safely to the people waiting for them. And that's the real purpose of the X5 Protection. It doesn't exist because the world is dangerous. It exists because some lives are simply too valuable to leave unprotected. But here's something remarkable. Ask most people what the ultimate luxury in a car is, and they'll mention handcrafted leather, panoramic roofs, massage seats, or a powerful engine. Ask someone who depends on an armored vehicle, and the answer is completely different. The greatest luxury isn't comfort, it isn't performance, it's peace of mind. It's the confidence of knowing that no matter what happens outside, you've given yourself and your family the best possible chance of reaching home. That's a luxury money alone cannot define. And BMW understood that better than anyone. They didn't build this vehicle to impress strangers standing on the sidewalk. They built it to reassure the people sitting inside. That's a completely different philosophy from almost every luxury SUV on the road. Most vehicles are designed to attract attention. The BMW X5 Protection was engineered to avoid it. Most luxury cars celebrate status. This one quietly protects it. Most SUVs promise comfort during the journey. This one promises confidence when the unexpected happens. That's why it has earned the trust of diplomats, security professionals, international organizations, and some of the world's most influential leaders. Not because it's the most expensive armored vehicle available, but because it delivers something even more valuable: intelligent engineering wrapped inside elegant simplicity. And perhaps that's the greatest lesson this extraordinary BMW teaches us. Real power doesn't need to be loud. Real confidence doesn't need to be seen. Real authority doesn't demand attention. It earns respect through preparation, discipline, and reliability. The BMW X5 Protection VR6 2021 represents all three. It's more than an armored SUV. It's a moving sanctuary, a silent bodyguard, and a masterpiece of German engineering created for moments most people hope they'll never experience. While the rest of the world sees another premium BMW driving through traffic, those inside know they're surrounded by one of the most advanced executive protection systems ever placed on four wheels. That's why this SUV isn't remembered for horsepower figures or luxury options. It's remembered because, on the worst day imaginable, it can become the difference between tragedy and survival. And there are very few machines in automotive history that can carry a responsibility that great. The BMW X5 Protection VR6 2021 reminds us that true luxury isn't measured by the price of the vehicle. It's measured by the confidence it gives the people who trust it with their lives. If stories like this fascinate you, subscribe to Velvet Horsepower, where every episode uncovers the hidden stories behind the world's most extraordinary machines, from presidential limousines and billionaire luxury cars to off-road legends and executive security vehicles. Because our next documentary takes us away from armored German engineering and into a vehicle trusted across deserts, mountains, war zones, and humanitarian missions around the world. The Toyota Land Cruiser V8 2021 isn't famous because of luxury. It's famous because when every other SUV gives up, it keeps going. But here's my question for you. If your life depended on one journey, would you choose a Rolls-Royce for comfort or the BMW X5 Protection VR6 for survival? Let me know in the comments, because sometimes the greatest luxury isn't arriving in style, it's arriving at all. What makes the BMW X5 Protection VR6 extraordinary isn't the armor you can see, it's the engineering you'll never notice. The moment the heavy door closes, the outside world seems to disappear. The sound of traffic fades into silence. The cabin feels no different from a standard BMW X5, and that's exactly what the engineers wanted. They understood that people buying this SUV weren't looking for a military vehicle. They wanted the comfort of a luxury SUV without sacrificing the confidence that comes from knowing their lives are protected. But here's the twist. Building armor is actually the easy part. Building armor without destroying everything that makes a BMW feel like a BMW is where the real challenge begins. Hundreds of kilograms of ballistic steel and multi-layer security glass dramatically increase the vehicle's weight, yet the X5 Protection refuses to drive like a heavy armored truck. BMW completely re-engineered the suspension, strengthened the chassis, upgraded the braking system, and fine-tuned the steering so the vehicle would still feel balanced, responsive, and composed. Why? Because in a real emergency, survival doesn't always depend on stopping bullets. Sometimes it depends on escaping them. Imagine a convoy leaving a luxury hotel after an international business summit. Suddenly, another vehicle blocks the road ahead. Security teams instantly recognize the threat. In an ordinary SUV, panic would begin. In the BMW X5 Protection, training takes over. The powerful twin-turbocharged V8 responds immediately as the driver accelerates away with remarkable confidence. Even if the tires are damaged, specially engineered run-flat technology allows the vehicle to continue moving for critical distances. Every second gained could mean the difference between life and death. That's why this SUV was never designed to fight danger. It was designed to outrun it. But here's something most people never think about. Armor protects against attacks, yet true executive security begins long before the first shot is ever fired. The greatest strength of the BMW X5 Protection is that most people will never realize they're looking at one. It slips quietly through airports, financial districts, embassies, government buildings, and luxury hotels without attracting unnecessary attention. There are no flashing lights, no dramatic body kits, no intimidating military styling. It simply looks like another premium BMW X5 driven by a successful executive. That invisibility becomes one of its most effective layers of protection, because threats often search for obvious targets, not ordinary-looking luxury SUVs blending into everyday traffic. But here's another detail that reveals BMW's obsession with perfection. The ballistic glass isn't simply thicker, it's specially engineered to provide exceptional visibility while resisting powerful impacts. Drivers maintain excellent awareness of their surroundings without feeling trapped inside an armored fortress. The cabin remains filled with handcrafted leather, premium materials, advanced infotainment technology, and executive comfort, because BMW believes security should never force passengers to compromise on luxury. Every journey still feels refined. Every conversation remains private. Every business call continues uninterrupted. The passengers don't feel like they're hiding from danger. They feel like they're traveling in one of the world's finest luxury SUVs. And perhaps that's the greatest achievement of all. BMW didn't build an armored truck disguised as a luxury vehicle. They built a genuine luxury BMW that quietly possesses the ability to save lives. But the most unbelievable part of the X5 Protection VR6 isn't its armor, its engine, or even its engineering. It's the reason some of the world's most influential people trust this SUV instead of armored limousines costing twice as much. And that changes everything.
A single gunshot changes everything. In less than 2 seconds, trained security agents surround a black BMW SUV as people on a busy city street run for cover. Another shot follows, then another. The attackers believe their target is trapped. They have no idea they're shooting at one of the most sophisticated protection vehicles ever engineered. The driver doesn't panic. He doesn't stop. He simply presses the accelerator, and the SUV disappears through the chaos as if nothing happened. When investigators later inspect the vehicle, the body is scarred with bullet marks, yet inside, not a single passenger has suffered a scratch. And that's the moment you realize this isn't an ordinary BMW. This is the BMW X5 Protection VR6 2021, a vehicle created for people whose lives are too valuable to gamble with. Presidents, diplomats, billion-dollar CEOs, high-profile entrepreneurs, royal family members, people whose names rarely appear on social media, but whose decisions can change the future of companies, governments, and even nations. But here's the question that makes this SUV so fascinating. Why would someone spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on a vehicle that, from the outside, looks almost identical to the BMW parked in your neighbor's driveway? The answer isn't horsepower, it isn't luxury, and it isn't prestige. The answer is hidden beneath the paint, inside the doors, and behind every window. But before we reveal that secret, you need to understand something about modern security. Most people imagine armored vehicles as oversized black machines surrounded by flashing lights and heavily armed guards. That's what movies taught us. Reality is completely different. The safest vehicle is often the one nobody notices, because if nobody knows you're protected, nobody knows you're the target. BMW understood this better than almost anyone else. Instead of creating an SUV that announced its strength, they built one that quietly concealed it. Park the BMW X5 Protection beside a standard X5, and even experienced drivers might struggle to tell them apart. The elegant kidney grille remains unchanged. The sculpted body lines still reflect BMW's unmistakable design language. The proportions are athletic, refined, and sophisticated. It blends naturally into traffic outside five-star hotels, airports, embassies, and financial districts around the world. That's not an accident. It's one of the vehicle's greatest weapons, because invisibility can be more powerful than intimidation. But here's where the story takes an unexpected turn. Unlike most armored vehicles, which begin life as ordinary SUVs before being stripped apart and reinforced by third-party companies, the BMW X5 Protection follows an entirely different path. It is born protected. From the first stages of production, BMW engineers design the armor as part of the vehicle itself. High-strength ballistic steel becomes part of the body structure before the SUV is even completed. Multi-layer security glasses engineered into the doors and pillars instead of being added later. Every weld, every reinforcement, and every protective component works together as one perfectly integrated system. That single decision changes everything. It makes the vehicle stronger, more balanced, more reliable, and far safer than many aftermarket armored SUVs. But here's something even more surprising. The badge on the rear doesn't represent the engine. VR6 isn't a performance package. It isn't a trim level. It's a promise. A globally recognized ballistic certification proving the vehicle has survived rigorous testing against high-powered firearms and violent attacks under controlled conditions. Think about that for a moment. Most luxury SUVs are tested for comfort, fuel economy, and crash safety. This BMW is tested to answer a far more terrifying question. Can the people inside survive if someone deliberately tries to kill them? That's a question most drivers never have to ask. But for the people who depend on vehicles like this, it's the only question that truly matters. Imagine leaving an embassy after a sensitive meeting. The streets outside seem ordinary. Traffic flows normally. Pedestrians cross the road without noticing your vehicle. Everything appears calm. But security professionals know danger often hides inside ordinary moments. That's exactly why the BMW X5 Protection was created. Not for the moments you expect, but for the moments you never see coming. And what BMW engineers hid beneath its elegant exterior would completely redefine what an executive SUV could become.